At least the tops of them do. The color of a turkey's head can reveal its mood. According to how excited or peaceful they are, colors might shift from red to blue to white. Their emotions are as powerful as the colors, which are more intense. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world and is found throughout the hot savannas and open woodlands of Africa. Long, strong legs, a long, exposed neck, and a massive body covered with feathers are the features of this flightless bird. Feathers of male and female birds are of varied colors. Though they can now be found fanning their fancy plumage in parks, farms, and zoos all over the world, peacocks are native to Asia. In India, where they originated, the birds are symbols of the Hindu religion and Indian royalty. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.